Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we're calling the best surge protector with USB ports currently on the market. If you're looking for a charging solution that's powerful, space-saving, and future-proof, this one's going to catch your eye. We're talking about the CHCORE Surge Protector Power Strip, a 12-in-1 charging station that's made for homes, offices, college dorms, and everywhere in between. Let's start by looking at what sets this surge protector apart from the sea of ordinary extension cords. First, the design. It features a three-sided layout, which isn't just a visual upgrade, it's a practical one. The spacing is intentional, allowing you to plug in bulky adapters without blocking other outlets. You get 8 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C. That's a total of 12 devices charged at once from a single wall outlet. Imagine clearing your desk of clutter, freeing up wall sockets, and powering your entire work setup from one neat hub. That's exactly what this delivers. Now let's talk power. The USB ports on this unit aren't just a bonus, they're smart. Each USB-A port provides up to 2.4 amps, while the USB-C ports support up to 3 amps. The built-in smart charging technology automatically detects your device and delivers the optimal current. That means your phones, tablets, or wireless earbuds get the fastest possible charge without any manual adjustment. The CHCORE Surge Protector supports voltages from 100 to 240 volts, making it great for travel if you're using it with a voltage converter. The total power capacity is 1250 watts at 10 amps, and it's paired with a 5-foot braided extension cord. This cord isn't just durable, it's flexible, easy to wrap, and features a right-angled flat plug that fits snugly behind furniture, making it perfect for tight spaces. On the back, you'll find 2 keyhole slots, allowing you to mount it under a desk or on a wall. Whether you're setting up a gaming station, a remote work desk, or just want to clean up cable chaos, this strip adapts to your space. Let's talk about safety. The CHCORE Surge Protector is ETL certified and also meets FCC and RoHS standards. It features a triple-layer surge protection system made up of ATVs, MOV, and GDT. This offers solid protection against spikes and lightning strikes, with a surge energy rating of 900 joules. If an overload occurs, the unit will automatically shut off to protect your devices. That's peace of mind every time you plug in. The build quality is another win. It's made with a fire-resistant PC shell, designed to withstand temperatures up to 1382 degrees Fahrenheit. It's rugged and made to last, which is especially important if you're planning to use it as a daily charging hub. And if you're wondering about after-sales support, CHCORE backs this product with a 30-day return policy and a 12-month warranty. Their customer support is responsive and promises a reply within 24 hours, so if anything goes wrong, you're covered. Now, one quick note for international buyers, especially those of you here in the UK. The product is designed for 125 volts US outlets. So, if you're planning to use it outside the US, you'll need a proper step-down converter to make it work safely. It's worth the extra effort, especially for the value you get. To wrap it up, the CHCORE Surge Protector Power Strip is a well-rounded charging solution with future-ready USB-C ports, strong safety features, flexible mounting, and a smart design that fits seamlessly into any space. Whether you're a student, professional, or tech enthusiast, this is a device that upgrades how you power your gear. If you're interested in checking it out, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.